Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel here. This morning in Southeast Iowa, it is the second day of youth spring turkey season. This morning we're gonna get after him here. Got my little brother in the back seat. Also got my other good buddy Bryson back here, and then we got Tucker over here. We're going out to this spot that we got yesterday. We know there's birds out in the area. Don't know what they're really doing a whole lot, but hopefully we can strike one up in the morning and try and get on him before he gets down out of the tree too far. So hopefully all goes all right, and we're just gonna give it the best we got and see how it goes. We'll catch you guys out there.
Yeah, baby!
Let's go! Tanner, can I shoot?
Yep. Let's go, baby!
Yeah!
Woo! Let's go, Cooper!
Give me the gun. Let me see the gun, buddy.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, baby. Let's go, Cooper. Let's go, baby. Holy shit, dude. Give me some. Give me some, Bubba. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, Cooper. Cooper, you killed a fucking tank, Cooper.
Stop shaking.
Dude. Not even fucking 10 o'clock, dog. Fuck, it's not even 7, is it? Holy shit, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Dude, I'm tingled because this is so nerve-wracking. I said, oh, tell me about it, buddy. I'm like, god damn, how much close you gonna let him get to him, dude? I know.
Well, I couldn't move because there was stick in the way, so I couldn't
That's
really
an
get
old
going. So
bird.
I had to make sure to walk across.
Dude, I bet he's fucking 28. He's a tank. I'll text Justin and be like, hey, thanks for letting us. We were done by 6:30. Hey, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap today.
Dude, are you kidding me?
What?
Nothing, that was insane.
That's a pretty good call by Tucker, wasn't it?
Nope, you're still recording.
Well, as you guys can tell, we have some pretty good success here. Cooper got himself a nice bird. Read the script just perfect. Cooper absolutely hammered him. Just put the swag down on him, didn't you, buddy?
Oh yeah,
What'd you think of it for your first turkey?
it's pretty cool,
Yeah?
honestly.
You think you're gonna do it again?
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the first video. We will have plenty more of content coming out soon. Don't know of what, but we'll find it and we'll video it, that is for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this first video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Woo!